Hello everyone, welcome back to my weekly cash stuff. Unfortunately it's a bit late today and I've got up in my dressing gown. I've got a cup of coffee and yeah, I'm gonna do some cash stuffing today. So let's have a look. Now, moths in here. Unfortunately I had a contact lens checkup which cost £30 and I only get £25 a week, so that was gone and I owed Mum the rest, and I don't know how, but I've managed to got £1 and 1 penny left in my purse. So it wasn't a very good week. I had a whole week of not being able to spend any money. Anyway, we're looking for challenges to put my pound in. I'm not with it really yet. It is 9 o'clock, but I had a terrible night sleep and then I didn't really wake up until 8 o'clock. So yeah. Anyway, let's get this pound in here. Start to talk like Hereffordian now. Kiwi accents going. So there's 10, 11, 12 pound in there. I changed that change. So we've got a pound, which is the dark green. I need to get some tweezers for this. Let's put that there. Ugh, so messy. Let's start that again. Let's stick it on my pen. Here we go. Right. Definitely need some tweezers. Anyway, the avocado is started with the aioli guacamole. So that's that done. I can't play any of these games today with leftovers, so hopefully I'll have a little game later with some leftovers. So my little penny is going in the savings for Port Miriam. Okay, so I've got my list here. Let's get my money. So we're on week 3 of my cash stuffing. I'm really struggling now without money, but it was divided up. So that's week 3. And we have got 20, oh, let's count it, okay. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 pound to cash stuff this week. I've got to go to collect my reading glasses today and go to the pharmacy to collect my prescription. So I was going to walk, but it's threatening rain today. Okay, so let's take £25 and that's going to refresh my purse. So hopefully I don't have any big expenses this week. That'd be good. So this Sunday coming, it's Monday today. This Sunday we're going to go to Porthcawl in Wales to a caravan for a few days. So I'm hoping to do my filming on Saturday so it can be released on Sunday, which is when it's supposed to be. Right, let's start with the big folder. So we've got £40 to go in holiday. And I think I really messed this up last week. So I owe it 5 already because I forgot this 5. So let's have a look, see what we've got in here. So we've got 50, 60, 70. So we should have 20, 25, 35, 40, 50, 55, 65, 70. So we've got 70. So I don't owe it. How did that work? 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. Yes, I did miss a £5 last week. And I've put that penny in the pot. So I'm going to move this over here off screen. I'm going to go into here and get myself a coin. There you go. Get myself a coin. drop the lid on the floor, and we're going to scratch these two off. Oh, I could have done that one. So last week I was afraid I was going to get those big ones. And then another one. Oh. So there's 30. Let's get the vacuum out. So we need 25, 30 to finish that challenge off. And we've still got 10 to play with. So let's have a look, see what we've got here. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 105. And I think that's finished. So what I might do next week is use it again and cross them off. I've got £10 left. So what I'm going to do is actually change that over and put it in the flights. Oh, let me bring this back. Let's just put this on the flights because we're saving up for make the flights back to New Zealand. And I'm really homesick yesterday and today. I want to go home now. But that's okay. We're here. We're here for the year. We've made that commitment. So, I think it's, so let me explain the homesickness. So we had summer and that was till the end of August. And then autumn started on the 1st of September. Well, winter started on the 1st of September. I have been so cold these last few days. And it's just got colder and colder. So my hands are like ice at the moment. So in here we have 45, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And we have 10, 25. So once this card is filled, I'm then going to play with it in my dice game. Emergency fund will get 5. And what I might do is take these 2 5s out. I'll take 1 5 out and put a 10 in, so that's 15. So this was a pink. I still haven't got a pot for my pens. Woo. Pink. And then again, once this card is filled, it will go into my emergency folder, my iris binder. So that's 15, 30, 60, 75 to play with. Debt we're not doing yet until we get paid. So this one's all done. Cool. And we have 10, 25 left. So we need to put into Christmas. Don't know if you can hear that wind. Where's my Christmas? Christmas isn't here. Okay, these are games. Christmas must be in here. Ah, there's my birthday. My birthday gets 5. And that's now got 10, so I'm going to take that 5 out and put 10 in there. That's my birthday. Here's Christmas. Christmas is going to get 5. So that now has 15. Crafts. It's going to get 5. So that's now 15. And then next week I'll be able to cross that one out. So I've made those 20 each. And then hobbies. Beauty doesn't get anything. Clothes, nothing. Nothing. So the optician I had to pay for at my allowance. So now we're on challenges. And we have £10 for challenges. So what should we do? Let's have a look. We could do rock, paper, scissors. Do you know what? I'm going to play ponds because this is from Budget with Ira. It's the ponds game. And I'm going to get my pounds out and I'm going to exchange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to play ponds. Let's see how far we can get. Dice tower, and now we want the frog dice. Here we go. Let's have a few goes of this. So that is 1. What colour were we using? Fluorescent pink. So 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, this is why you have to pay with a 10. Let's hope 2. 1, 2. Shall we risk it? We've got 2 left. Whoa. Well, I'm going to roll, and if it's more than a 2, then I shall do a 2. Oh, wow. It says 2. And that's the frog game done. So now what I do is I'll put these back because I bought them with that. And I take my 10 and I'm going to put it in Pond Life. So it's a very quick check-in this week because my purse was empty. Didn't have anything to play with. And so far in here we have 5, 10, $15, £15, sorry, which would be about $30. So we've got a bit in these. We've saved up a bit. So next week is my last week of this budget. And then hopefully I can increase it slightly. Because I'm going overseas for 5 weeks, I will need to share this wage packet and the next one out so that I make sure I've got money to have when I get back in December, because I won't get paid. I'll get paid at the end of December. So I need to make sure I share out what I get paid over the next 2 months. Yeah, so thanks for coming along. Please give me the thumbs up for this video. Give me some comments. That would be lovely. And share if you can. So look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.